Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Roslyn Sierra from Bugay, Cagayan, Philippines. I am 31 years old, high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children ages 11 years old boy and 3 years old girl. My husband name is Jesse Sierra. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the 3rd child in the family. My father's name is Carmelo T. Mapit, 64 years old. I work here in the Philippines as housemaid in 4 years, serving 4 members in the family. 1 couple ages 38 years old and 40 years old, and 2 children ages 5 years old girl and 2 years old boy. I started to work with them as their housemaid on July 20, 2015, and I end to work with them as their housemaid on December 30, 2019, because I already finished my contract. Sir, ma'am, if you let me to work with you as your helper, I'll doing all my best, my duties and my responsibilities. I'll doing household chores, wash dishes, washing clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking care of children. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. Thank you and God bless.